How to combine videos in ClipChamp. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can combine videos on ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to combine videos on ClipChamp, you can go ahead and simply open up ClipChamp. Here I'm on PC and opening up ClipChamp. Now basically combining videos is pretty simple. Whether you just want to add two particular videos or you want to add transition in between depends on you. So let me show you right away. Let it load up. Now as you can see, I have opened up ClipChamp. Here now all you gotta do is you want to simply head over, scroll down and create a new video. Then you want to select the particular video, so let it load up and then select the videos that you like to combine, right? Tap on import media here and then select two videos that you like to combine and tap on open. Once you do so, you can see the videos will be loaded up. Now all you gotta do next is drag the first video here, and once you have dragged it, you can select the timeline, you can crop it, edit it, then select the second video and you can go ahead and you can combine it this way, and now the video is combined. If you export it, it'll be exported here. However, the only difference is whether you want to add transition in between. If you take your mouse towards the area in between where the video is combined, you'll find the add transition option. Tap on add transition and you can go ahead and add transition here now. And now if I play the video here, you can see. So this is how you can easily combine videos in ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.